Abracadabra! Happy Halloween! What shall we twist today? Please recommend clown action!
Start by pumping up a white long balloon. Make one pinch twist, an 8cm bubble, another pinch twist, and 4 more 8cm bubbles back and forth to make the head. In total, you'll have 5 of the 8cm bubbles and 2 pinch twists. As you go, make sure it's symmetrical and looking good. Now pump up another white long balloon, then tie it to the other side of the head. Squeeze them together and twist them at the bottom of the head to form the torso. Using one of the balloons, make 2 6cm bubbles and fold it on itself. Bring both of the balloons down and twist them again at the bottom of the torso. Using the shorter balloon, make 4 pinch twists to form the waist. When you're done, you can pop the excess balloon. With the remaining long balloon, we're going to use it to make its legs. Start by a 7cm bubble, a pinch twist, a loop twist, then a 2cm bubble, another pinch twist, another loop twist, and lastly, another 7cm bubble. Now you want to bring it back to its waist to make 2 legs. Adjust the feet to make sure they're facing the right way. Then you can cut off the excess balloon and save this part for the arms. Split the balloon in half into 2 7cm bubbles and slide it under the head. When you're done with twisting your mummy, let's get to drawing. Using a black marker, add some details, including the mummy's cloth and the eyes. Add in more details on the eyes to make sure it's looking a bit creepy. Now using white scrap balloons, tie it around the head and around the body to give it a more realistic look. And now you're done.
Whoa, I have a balloon mummy. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.